Guys, Fiso said that Scott needs an AI, guys. His music sounds the same. That is why Scott Mapuma decided to clap back at Fiso, guys. Here's the clip of Fiso saying that Scott needs an AI before we move to Scott's response.
No, thanks to know that. But my question is, what are some artists that already exist and that you guys feel like could really use like this auto-tune AI?
Scott.
You think so?
Awapala mole no?
You think so?
Awapala da. Awabona no upadile da. Awapala no. Hey, the lyrics are fana, flow are fana. I love him, dog. Like I'm a big fan of Scott's, but it's now, hey.
But it doesn't generate lyrics for you, does it?
It does. Gonna need it. Yeah? Scott needs it now. He might just go in a beat and say, "Wem kazaza," and then.
Here's Scott Mapuma coming for the co-host of Piano Pulse podcast, guys. It's Fiso, guys.
Oh, nabantu abakulona ma-journalist isikhulu manje siyabalanda ke manje.
In the podcast.
Yeah, i-podcast yethu.
Why bezwe bahloniphe kodwa bahloniphe.
Abasihloniphi nathi manje sikhuluma ivara yazi.
Yeah, next bro, next.
Ngoba sithulile ngoba like angazi nozakalana. So kusho ukuthi izinto lengcono siyenze kanjani manje? Mina ngizozenzela ke. Mina iphaba enenyenza la ku Instagram. Ngiyohlala ngi-live. Yeah. Sikhulume ngama-fans. Sikhulume ngabo bosifiso nathi sikhulume yabona?
Khuluma ngama-haters.
Yeah. Ngabo Mac G, ngobani sikhulume nje nathi ukuthi sicabangani. Yeah, ngithola le. Cause abantu bayasikhuluma ukuthi abasicabangayo batala.
Yeah, into ayicabangayo umuntu. Camera hood. Notice ngayo.
Oh, ukhaya uthi ufuna YouTube. Ukhaya uthi ufuna YouTube. Awungisho uyayibona le ndaba?
Okay.
Yeah, ukhaya uthi hayi. Yinde wisi. Makho. Ubamba kanjani kanti yena? Hayi, unless vele nabasaba phela nani. Awalimela. Mina vele ngiyenza. Ngizihlelela nabangani bami mama athi sizicocele. Ukuthi ngala mawusho ucabangani ngo.
Cabangayo. Hilo icabangayo.
Ngiyangithona. Yeah, ngithi ngishonisa ucabangani. Afanele sigijile passenger ntati.
Happy P.
Sorry Hollandizi.
Mnani.
Oh no. Sorry Sean Stylizi. Sean Steezy.
Mnani.
Guys, that was Scott Mapuma coming for Fiso, co-host of Piano Pulse, guys. Yep, guys, I don't know what to take on this one. You can leave your comments or review down in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video, guys, here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.